Hey guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies today, and I brought my younger brother in. He found a socket, which we had no clue who made the socket, so he wanted to clean it up today. Tell us a little bit about it, because you were actually able to clean the socket up. How easy was it?
Yeah, it took about probably about 5 minutes.
Was it easy?
Yeah, I mean, it was like, I've only blasted a few parts, and this took me like 5 minutes, literally. I know a lot of people's got old tools laying around their house. You know, you can't really read the numbers on stuff. You can definitely read that number now.
Who makes that one?
It's a Snap-on brand here.
We couldn't see that before, could we?
No, you couldn't see the numbers. You couldn't see what. You know, you pick up a tool from your old rusty toolbox. You know, don't throw those tools away. And get you a vapor honer, and you know.
It's an old school Snap-on.
Yeah, and it's probably from like the 70s, I'd say, because it was. I found it laying around old tool cabinet, so.
It's in still good shape though.
Yeah, I mean.
Had some pitting on it.
Repurpose it. People usually grab this and say, "Oh, it's scrap metal," and toss it. But you could definitely refurbish it and reuse this part easily.
And he's really never blasted parts, maybe 2 or 3 times. So it was really super simple. Did you get shocked?
Nope.
No. Normally you get shocked in a sandblast cabinet. For those of you watching, especially in summertime, but you don't get shocked in this machine. So.
Yeah, but this was, you know, it was easy, and it took me 5 minutes, or less than 5 minutes, I'd say. Get the timing, but
yeah.
It was great for beginners. It's great for anybody that needs to, you know, you have some old parts laying around the house, grab your machine and start blasting them. Give yourself some money from buying new parts, because it definitely looks like a new part, just been forged. So
yeah. Well, and you can inspect it, so if you want to use it again, you can always check it out and make sure it's not damaged. I mean, this thing's pitted, so it's obviously sat around in the weather for a long time, but it's still good to use. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check us out for more content, and as always, thanks for watching. And if you like what you saw today, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and like the Facebook page for daily and weekly updates. Thanks for watching.